So you've got a criminal case, and you've got a court date. What's going to happen at that very first court date? Depending on the level of charge, it's either an initial appearance or an arraignment. So in the justice court, where most people have their first court case, it's going to be called an arraignment. And at arraignment, they're going to determine two things. Number one, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty? And number two, if there is jail time attached to that charge, whether or not you are going to hire an attorney or ask for a public defender. So at that arraignment in justice court, here's some things to remember. Number one, show up. Don't blow it off, because failure to appear can be an additional misdemeanor offense for not showing up at that court date. So show up. Be there on time. Second, dress appropriately. Business casual at a minimum. A shirt with a collar. Now I get it, if you just come from work, you got some dirt and stuff, fine, you're showing up. But don't come in a tank top, ratty shorts, and a hat and sunglasses and just looking not like it's business. Court is serious. The attorneys are wearing coats and ties. The judge is wearing his robe, and he's got a tie and a shirt on under that robe, and maybe even a coat, depending on who it is. So show up and dress appropriately. The third, and this is the most important thing, please, 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 don't plead guilty at your arraignment. You destroyed everything. So in a criminal case, you have a whole bunch of criminal rights. You have a right that they have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses and subpoena them. And the prosecutor's got to prove you did it. Maybe they don't have the evidence. Maybe there are weaknesses in that evidence. So do not plead guilty at the arraignment. You have a right to challenge the evidence. So plead not guilty, and then the court's going to schedule another hearing, either a review hearing, or sometimes they call it a pretrial hearing. If you're going to hire your own attorney, they might set what they call a status of counsel hearing. It's just going to be another court date for you to come back and kind of update the court on where things are. So after you do that, enter that not guilty, they have that pretrial hearing set up, give us a call. Come see us, let us enter an appearance for you, let us request all the police reports and videos and photos and evidence and the testing that it might do on some of those evidence. Let us get the evidence and see if we can't negotiate a better deal for you, or if we find enough weaknesses, have the case thrown out altogether. So at that arraignment, please do not plead guilty, because you've given up all your rights. Plead not guilty, preserve your rights, and give us a call at greaterzionlaw.com. My name is 𝗪𝗪 𝗪𝗂𝗪. Our phone number, 435-674-2564.